Tired of your boring 9 to 5? Well, AI might be coming to save you from it by taking it over completely. Today, we're counting down the top 5 boring, low-competition jobs that AI is set to automate by 2026. If your job involves staring at a spreadsheet all day, you'll want to watch this. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 1, and this will surprise. Absolutely no one is the data entry operator. This is probably the most classic boring job, and it is on the verge of full automation. Think about it. How much of this job is just copying information from one place to another? AI tools can now read, extract, and organize data from PDFs, images, and scanned forms automatically, with near-perfect accuracy. Powerful tools like ChatGPT with its advanced data analysis feature, Microsoft Copilot, and UPath can handle massive data transfers without a single human keystroke. The days of manually typing numbers into Excel or copy-pasting from a document are numbered. By 2026, we expect most of these repetitive tasks to be a thing of the past. It's not about if, but when. Next up at number 2, call center and chat support agents. We've all interacted with chatbots, but the next generation is on a whole different level. Advanced AI voice bots and chat assistants, powered by models like the upcoming GPT-5 voice, Amazon Q, and Cohere Commander, can now handle up to 80% of all customer queries without any human help. They can understand context, access account information, and provide solutions in a natural, conversational way. This means that routine calls about password resets or order tracking will be handled entirely by AI. Human agents will transition into supervisors, stepping in only for the most complex, rare, or emotionally charged situations. Companies are already using this technology to reduce their night shift staffing, and this trend is only going to accelerate. At number 3, we have proofreaders and grammar editors. For decades, having a keen eye for typos and grammatical errors was a valuable skill. Now it's a feature. AI-powered writing assistants like Grammarly, WordTune, and the built-in editor in ChatGPT Plus can proofread a document in seconds. They don't just catch spelling mistakes. They analyze tone, check for plagiarism, and even suggest ways to improve clarity and readability, often doing it better than an entry-level human editor. The market for basic freelance proofreading is shrinking fast. To stay relevant, editors will need to pivot towards more creative and strategic skills like storytelling, structural editing, and brand voice development. Simple grammar checks are officially an AI's game. Sliding into the number 4 spot are market research assistants. The core of this job has always been collecting and compiling data, sifting through industry reports, analyzing survey results, and monitoring competitor websites. These are tasks that AI was born to do. Modern AI tools like Perplexity AI, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and ChatGPT's data analysis capabilities can ingest and summarize entire market reports, analyst briefings, and social media trends in just a few minutes. Instead of tasking an intern or junior assistant with spending days copying stats into a presentation, companies will use AI-powered dashboards that deliver real-time insights on demand. By 2026, the entry-level role of data gatherer will largely be replaced by AI systems that provide the what so humans can focus on the so what. Finally, at number 5, we have appointment schedulers and administrative assistants. The endless back and forth of "Are you free on Tuesday at 2?" is dying a slow death thanks to AI. Intelligent scheduling bots like Google's Duet AI and Microsoft 365 Copilot are revolutionizing calendar management. These tools can access everyone's availability, find the perfect meeting time, book a room, and even generate a meeting agenda. But it doesn't stop there. These virtual assistants can also take meeting notes, create transcripts, summarize action items, and draft polite follow-up emails automatically. A huge chunk of what we traditionally call admin work is becoming an automated, AI-driven process. The future assistant is a bot, and it never needs a coffee break. So there you have it, 5 jobs that are on the fast track to automation. Is this a reason to panic? Not at all. It's a wake-up call to upskill and focus on the creative, strategic, and human-centric tasks that AI can't replicate. The future of work isn't about competing with AI, but collaborating with it. Thanks so much for watching. What jobs do you think are next on the chopping block? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on AI and the future of work. See you in the next one.